Yes, listen students. Then in the chapter stock exchange, next topic is 7.5. 7.5 consists of two parts, namely the stock exchanges functioning in India and top 10 stock exchanges in the world level. So these two topics are there in 7.5. So first of all, we will see about the stock exchanges in India. So in India, there are 24 stock exchanges are functioning. Out of 24 stock exchanges, 21 are regional stock exchange, and 3 other stock exchanges are national stock exchange. Out of 24 stock exchange, 21 stock exchanges are functioning at regional level. So 21 regional stock exchanges and remaining 3 national stock exchanges. Then out of 21 regional stock exchanges which are functioning in different states, that is the Bombay Stock Exchange, the Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange, the Madras Stock Exchange Limited, Coimbatore Stock Exchange Limited, Cochin Stock Exchange Limited, Bangalore Stock Exchange Limited, Mangalore Stock Exchange Limited, the Pune Stock Exchange Limited, the Meerut Stock Exchange Limited, the Magad Stock Exchange Limited, the Jaipur Stock Exchange Limited, the Madhya Pradesh Stock Exchange Limited, the Hyderabad Stock Exchange Limited, the Canara Stock Exchange Limited, the Guwahati Stock Exchange Limited. Apart from that, the Vadodara Stock Exchange Limited, the Saurashtra Stock Exchange Limited. These are the stock exchange limited. The 4 other stock exchange limiteds are called as like this: the Ahmedabad Stock Exchange Association Limited, the Delhi Stock Exchange Association Limited, the Ludhiana Stock Exchange Association Limited, and the Calcutta Stock Exchange Association Limited. So there are 4 stock exchange association limited. So the remaining 3 other stock exchanges are functioning at national level. What are the 3 stock exchanges? Number 1, the National Stock Exchange. We say in brief NSE, National Stock Exchange. Second one, the Over-the-Counter Exchange of India Limited. Over-the-Counter Exchange of India Limited, that is in brief OCTEI. Over-the-Counter Exchange of India Limited. Then the third one, the Interconnected Stock Exchange of India Limited. So these 3 stock exchanges are functioning at the national level. Remaining 21 are functioning at regional level. But all the 24 stock exchanges are following or adopting screen-based trading system, that is SBTS. Screen-based trading system are followed all the 24 stock exchanges that are functioning in India. So what is the benefit of adopting of the screen-based trading system? Means it provides automated modern facilities for functioning of the transactions or trading of stock exchange activities, providing automated modern facilities to the members. So it gives opportunity for transparent, fair and open manner in trading system. Transparent, fair and open manner of trading system followed in the stock exchanges. So it will be easy access to all the investors who are living across the country. It is easy to access of all the investors who are living across the country. So each and every stock exchanges adopting screen-based trading system while exchanging of their transactions or securities or buying and selling of securities. It provides automated modern facilities to the members or the participants. So it will be leads to the transparent in activities, fair dealing of buying and selling of the securities, and that also be in open manner of trading activities. Not only that, and easy access of all investors who are residing or living across the country or throughout the country. So this is the brief explanation about the functioning of stock exchanges in India. So the Interconnected Stock Exchange of India Limited connect nearly 16 stock exchanges under the control of the Interconnected Stock Exchange. The head office is located at Mumbai. Interconnected Stock Exchange control over the 16 stock exchanges, which is based on the regional level. The head office is located at Bombay or Mumbai. So there are 24 stock exchanges are functioning in India. Out of 24 stock exchanges, 21 are regional level, that is regional in nature, that is functioning at regional level, and 3 other stock exchanges are functioning at national level. Whoever may be the stock exchange or whatever may be the stock exchange, or all the 24 stock exchanges are adopting the screen-based trading system while exchanging their securities or the bonds or shares and securities, or simply telling about buying and selling of the transactions of securities. So similarly, the other part of the stock exchange, there are top 10 stock exchanges in the world level. So far we have seen about the stock exchanges in India. Then the next one is the top 10 stock exchanges in the world. So as per statistical data on 31st January 2017, there are 10 biggest stock exchanges in the world level. Number 1, the New York Stock Exchange, which is located in New York City. The New York Stock Exchange located in New York City. The next one, NASDAQ, that means National Association of Securities Dealers, automated quotation. So that we say in brief, NASDAQ, also located in the New York City, the second largest or biggest stock exchange in the world. Then the third person occupies the London Stock Exchange, which is in London. Fourth one, Tokyo Stock Exchange is located in Tokyo, that is in Japan. Number 5, Shanghai Stock Exchange, that is located in China. Sixth one, Euronext Stock Exchange, it is located throughout the European continent, namely Belgium, France, Portugal and Netherlands. The Euronext Stock Exchange functioning at the European continent, particularly in Belgium, France, Portugal and Netherlands. Number 7, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, which is located in Hong Kong. Then 8th one, Shenzhen Stock Exchange, it is also functioning in China. The 9th one, Canadian Stock Exchange, which is functioning or located at Toronto, that is called TMX Group of Stock Exchange. And the 10th position, that is our stock exchange, that is in India, Bombay Stock Exchange, which is located in India. So out of 10 top exchanges, stock exchanges in the world, 2 are located in New York. That is first and second are located in New York, and 2 other in China, that is Shanghai Stock Exchange and Shenzhen Stock Exchange, both are located in China. 2 in New York, 2 in China and 1 in London. London Stock Exchange, that is in London. Then 1 in Tokyo Stock Exchange, that is in Japan. 1 in Hong Kong, that is also located in Hong Kong. Then Toronto, Canadian Stock Exchange located in Toronto. Then last one is Bombay Stock Exchange, that is in our country, that is in India. So this is a brief chart about the functioning of stock exchange, not only in India as well as the world level.